Complexity theory and Islam. The world of today continues to evolve in all its complexity. Advanced digital communication technologies, high-speed informational flow that instantaneously send images and ideas of change, the process of globalization itself that alter and compress time and space and even decide the course of human and social events, all these continue to fragment the human self. Religion, such as Islam, which claims to be adaptable to changing times, is also affected by the destruction of the singularity of the selfhood of the Muslim. New ideas and inventions challenge Islamic orthodoxy and open up new debates that demand new perspectives, or edicts, or fatwas to be written to safeguard the fragmentation of Islam. In short, the Muslim of today lives in a spiritual world of deconstructionism. Ideas bombard the self into multiplicity rather than hold it as a singularity, as how promoters of Islam orthodoxy would demand. Complex systems require a complex view of looking at phenomena. The idea of complexity brought about by the post-industrial world and as it impacts the mind, body, and soul of the Muslim individually and collectively as an ummah, a millenaristic supranation of oneness before Allah, has brought fragmentation amongst the believers of this religion. From the historical conflicts of the major schools of thought, to the violent departure of ideological Islam in the Shia-Sunni schism, to the crisis of identity plaguing Muslims of today, especially post 9/11, these characterize fragmentation that have led to never-ending violent conflicts in the Islamic world. Muslims are living in a world of Islamic chaos, so to speak. If we take the idea of chaos theory as one that tries to explain small changes leading to larger systemic changes over a long period of time, the butterfly effect, and apply it to the phenomena of Islam's evolution as an institutionalized religious ideology, we could see that there is the need to look at the core issue of the loss of the principle of singularity or oneness or unity brought about by Muhammad. There is a loss of the sense of and the understanding of Tawhid, or the deep understanding of the knowledge and application of the principles of the oneness of God or Allah that not only should unify the self but society. Tawhidic knowledge can perhaps defragment the self, bring it to holism and create an understanding that man is the vicegerent of Allah on earth, as how the early teachings of Islam and the early Tawhidists at the time of Muhammad would enjoin. Today's Islam is a manifestation of deep-rooted fragmentation and even destruction of the self, as can be seen in the conduct of nations calling themselves Islamic. Whether the blame is put on geopolitical, political, economic, or post-industrial complexities of a multipolar world of today, or even the power play amongst empires such as Russia or the United States, the issue in the world of Islam is chaos and the multitudinality of conflicts as opposed to unity and strength of the self and society as taught by Islam. So how does Tawhidism interpret problems and offer solutions to major issues of today?